The U.S. Air Force recently tested a new cluster bomb in the skies over California. While the Pentagon is phasing out most cluster munitions in its inventory, this new bomb is being developed full steam ahead. The difference? This new bomb ejects leaflets, not grenade-sized munitions, over a target area. The tests, which recently took place at the Point Mugu Sea Test Range and the Precision Image Range area at Edwards Air Force Base, were designed to validate conversion of older cluster bombs into leaflet bombs. The U.S. military is phasing out cluster munitions, which tend to litter battlefields with unexploded bomblets that can harm civilians. A new program is taking old cluster bombs, like the Mk-20 Rockeye-2, removing the cluster munitions inside, and hollowing them out so they can dispense leaflets instead. The U.S. Air Force conducted two tests, one at Point Mugu and the other at Edwards, each involving a B-52 bomber from the 419th Flight Test Squadron dropping 8 of the PDU-5/D bombs over a target area. Each bomb can dispense up to 60,000 leaflets.
Doors are open. Strapped. 3 seconds perimeters. Looking good. 15 seconds. Doors open. Perimeters check. 2, 1, release. Timing. 1 away. 2 away. Stop release. 10 seconds. Doors coming closed.
Table.
Clear 2. That's 60.6.
Doors come close.
No problem.
We're down to 1-8, and we'll see you guys later.
See ya.
Doors close. Roger. Reset the KY on COM 1.
Release. Weapon away.
Leaflet bombs have been used for decades to persuade armies and civilians alike, and leaflets falling from the sky appear in Christopher Nolan's Dunkirk. PDU-5/Bs were dropped over Iraq before actual bombing missions took place, to warn the civilian population and cajole Iraqi troops into not fighting. Here's a Korean War video showing fighter bombers loaded with leaflet bombs, warning civilians of bombing raids ahead. The B-52 tests were conducted to ensure that the bombs did not come into contact with the bomber during the drop, and that the bombs function reliably. Presumably, that means the bombs don't turn the leaflets inside into shreds of confetti.
Yeah, it's actually less than 35 seconds. I don't think about it. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Love it.
3, you're broken. Confirmed. Approved. Elevator 260.
Hey, firm. Elevator.
This way. -10.